Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Cash Apps account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Cash Apps account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Cash App application on your device. The official page of Cash App will be displayed on the screen. Click on Start Earning option. On the next page, click on little gear icon at the bottom right corner of the page and then tap on Login. You will end up on the login page of your Cash Apps account. Now to log into your Cash Apps account, enter your email address and password associated with your Cash Apps account and tap on Login. This is how you can log into your Cash Apps account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.